Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, I would like to discuss how to apply for and how much you get paid for sick leave. Sick leave, in essence, refers to a designated period during which an employee is entitled to cease work and focus on receiving proper medical care. It serves as a critical opportunity for individuals to regain their health and well-being before returning to their professional responsibilities. The regulations pertaining to sick leave wages dictate that employers are obligated to provide compensation to employees during their period of illness. According to the opinions of the Implementation of the Labor Law of the People's Republic of China, unless fully paid sick leave days are explicitly written in contract, employers are required to pay sick leave wages or sickness relief in accordance with relevant guidelines within the prescribed medical period. While sick leave wages may be lower than the local minimum wage, they must not fall below 80% of the minimum wage standard. Calculating sick leave wages typically involves referencing the minimum monthly wage standard set by local authorities. For example, in Hangzhou City of Zhejiang Province, the sick leave daily wage is determined by multiplying the minimum monthly wage standard by 80% and dividing it by the monthly calculation days, which is 21.75 days. As the minimum wage standard in Hangzhou City in 2023 is 2280 yuan, 80% of that is 1824, and the daily wage is approximately 84 yuan. To qualify for sick leave, employees are required to provide evidence of their illness or non-work related injury. Many companies mandate a medical certificate issued by a reputable hospital, typically at the county level or higher. This medical certificate, also known as a doctor's note, must be stamped with the hospital stamp and clearly states how many days are given as sick leave days. It is worth noting that certificates from private clinics may not be accepted as valid proof for sick leave eligibility. Employees must also adhere to the specific procedures established by their company to request sick leave and submit the necessary documentation. It is important to note that sick leave, like maternity leave, does not require permission from the employer, as this is considered as a basic human right. It is not within our control to be sick, so as long as you submit the correct documents, your employer cannot force you to go to work or fire you for being absent. You should also keep a photocopy of the medical certificate, or even better, just hand your employee a photocopy instead, to keep the original copy as evidence in case of a legal dispute in the future. Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will talk about whether digital contracts are valid.